Hi students, today we are going to finish this topic remaining recent trends in marketing. Yesterday in previous class we have discussed about the green marketing and the next one is event marketing. First see the event marketing definition. It describes the process of developing themed exhibition, display or presentation to promote a product, service, cause or organization leveraging in-person engagement. Events can occur online or offline and can be participated in, hosted or sponsored. In brief, it is the experiential marketing of a brand or service or product through promotional events. It directly interact with the brand's representatives. The main benefits of the event marketing are directly interact with the customers. Marketers can reach a target audience and marketers can boost local search engine optimization campaigns with valuable citations, and they also can increase for traffic and sales. Here are the kinds of the event marketing: promoting your event or using event as a tool for promoting your brand or product. Examples of the events are roadshows, when the company introduces any new product. For example, a car company or a Honda showroom, bikes company introduces a new bike. The roadshows, exhibitions are conducted. Seminars and conferences for service type of marketing. Award ceremonies and holiday parties. These are the examples. Green event marketing also have the marketing mix like a product, price, place and promotion. Here event marketing mix element. First, product is nothing but the event you are conducting, the program and overall experience of that event. And the price is valued on the basis of registration, tickets, subscription, time invested by the attendees. Coming to the place, the event is conducted at the event of the venue, date and time and destination of the event is regarded as the place. Types of events: sporting events such as IPL matches, entertainment, arts and culture, art exhibitions, commercial marketing and promotional events related to the products and services, exhibitions like book exhibitions, science exhibitions, etc. Festivals, marketing of festivals like in Telangana, Bonal Pandaga, Dasra moment, they market that festivals. Fundraising and Holi, a best example of marketing, event marketing is Holi and Vinayaka Chaturthi, etc. Fundraising for orphanages and for blind people, social service activities regarding this event. Next, advantages and limitations. Advantages are brand enhancement, clear objectives, offer interaction. Disadvantage: no established infrastructure, inflexible. It means there is no to conduct a event, public gathering is enough. There is no established infrastructure for manufacturing or any other thing, but it is inflexible sometimes. Here in the event marketing, all the people are gathered at one particular place so that the customers can have the idea of that brand and the clear objectives. They can identify the objective of a product and offer interaction with the manufacturers and also the customers. Recent trends in marketing. And the next one is networking marketing. Networking marketing is also known as multi-level marketing. It is a business distribution model that allows a parent multi-level marketing company to market their products directly consumers by means of relationship referrals and direct selling. Network marketing means, example, here also network in network marketing, person to person, from one person to another person, we can channelize or distribute the products. Best examples are firstly introduced by Amway, Herbalife Nutritions, Modicare, Forever Living, RCM, Vestige, Oriflame, Avon, Future Market Makers, etc. All these are the performing network marketing in the market. Recent trends in marketing. Next one is direct marketing. Direct marketing is a process by which a firm approaches to its customers on one-to-one basis and markets its products directly to them. Direct marketing is nothing but directly producing the markets are directly hand over to the consumer. Methods of direct marketing: direct mail, telemarketing, TV through ads, television ads, print media such as newspapers, internets, giving mails, sending mails, and personal selling by maintaining a public relations. All these are the methods of direct marketing. And coming to role of direct marketing in international marketing communication program, combining direct marketing with advertising, combining direct marketing with public relations, personal selling, and sales promotion and support media. Direct marketing also helps in developing a database to seek the potential customers and to have the addresses about the potential customers, and we easily through database development we can identify the targeted audience, and the segmentation is easy, and we can identify the potential customers, and we can choose a customer can specific have the specific interest, so that we can cross sell according to the customers benefits, and we can maintain customer relationship management has been developed through database concept. Social media marketing, in the recent trends, next one is social media marketing. Social media marketing is a form of internet marketing that utilizes a social media to achieve branding and marketing communication goals through social media. In the social media marketing, you have already known about. Nowadays we are using Telegram, in YouTube, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook. Through Facebook and Instagram, so we are sending memes about the products. It's like an advertisement. Twitter, many of the likes and comments are we are seeing from the YouTube channels. This is the social media marketing. Next, social marketing. Social marketing, according to social marketing, here the Kotler has given on a definition: the application of principles and tools of marketing to achieve socially desirable goals and benefits of the society. Social marketing mostly it's a service-based marketing than the product-based marketing. In the social marketing, the social ideas such as helping hands nowadays helping hands in a COVID situations, and health, regarding the health perspective, avoiding the smoke, littering in public places, etc. Social marketing disciplines: health, education, advertising, economics, business management, scientific research, community organization, psychology, and epidemiology. All these are social marketing areas. Health education, regarding the health education, every year blood bank associations are coming and donating blood, and blood banking camps are conducting at colleges. And advertising, social marketing disciplines in advertising regarding the public safety, and public safety, for example, littering in any public places, it is banned, and smoking is banned. These are the examples of social marketing disciplines. Next, Make in India, Digital India concept has brought by Modi. He constructs no one in the villages or go outside, and everyone should have the bathrooms. So he has introduced Digital India concept. Objectives of social marketing: aims to change attitudes and behaviors to healthy behavior. Aims to change attitudes and behavior is nothing but COVID-19 ads. COVID-19 ads what? Stay home, stay healthy. These are the examples. Stay home, stay healthy. If we stay at home and wash our hands with sanitizers or any liquid, and also smoking, avoid smoking at public places. It serves interest of the target markets without personal profits. Means while driving a car, safety belts are required and helmet is compulsory. These are the public social marketing services and products. Mostly marketing of ideas and concepts rather than tangible products. Process of social marketing. See here in this figure, process of social marketing. Defining the problem. First one, defining the problem. Social marketing arises from the defining the problem only. Identifying actions that could reduce problems, potential audience, market segmentation and target market. Conduct foot cost analysis. It means in social marketing, many of the customers can interact with the marketers. That is food cost analysis. Established government programs, design, deliver, and evaluate these government programs. This is the process of social marketing. And coming to four P's of social marketing mix. First one is product, online exams, conducting online exams, social marketing, or medical exams, eating a heart, healthy diet, environmental protections ads, price, value in money, monetary terms. It is a time and effort you have put in on those advertisements. And place is nothing but warehouse, sales force, retail outlets, shopping malls, in-home demonstrations, promotions, public relations, paid ads, entertainment vehicles. All these are the proper 4 P's of the social marketing. Next one, buzz marketing. It is the practice of creating a talk around a product, service, company, or brand. It reaches more people faster than advertising, direct mail, or even the internet. Buzz marketing is not a viral marketing, but is the difference between the buzz marketing and the viral marketing is creates a subject. Buzz marketing has a means. Where the buzz marketing existence means exciting products such as when the new movie releases, and destinations, marriages, innovative products like live web browsers, personal experience products like hotels, airlines. Next, complex products like softwares, medical devices into manufacturing, expensive products, vacation packages, observable products, clothes and cars, the personal activities, cultural or sporting events. We can buzz marketing can be identified in all these activities. This is the buzz marketing. Recent trends in marketing is viral marketing. Viral marketing is a strategy that allows to spread marketing messages and ads over many different social media sites. Viral marketing may be made through word of mouth marketing. Word of mouth marketing is also SWOT concept. These messages or ads mostly rapidly are sent to thousands of people, just like virus. Example: video clips, flash games, images, ebooks, hot mails, and the chat rooms through different social medias. This is the viral marketing concept. Recent trends in marketing: e-commerce marketing. You have already previously studied about e-commerce marketing. You have well knowledge. E-commerce is nothing but business to business, business to customer, customer to customer, mobile commerce, e-learning, e-government. Benefits of e-commerce are fast buying and selling, 24/7 hours working, low operations costs, and better quality of services, and many number of brands and varieties of products can be seen by the customer. But the disadvantage of e-commerce is unable to examine product personally, and lack of internet awareness. Credit cards may be hacked, and net transfers may have some theft, and there may be technical failures. This is the e-commerce marketing. And the last topic is the recent trends in global marketing. Globalization means integration of economy of the country with the global world. For example, foreign direct investments. Many countries, through globalization, many countries are coming into domestic company, or domestic company is investing in foreign companies. These opportunities in global marketing or career opportunities, more number of career investments opportunities. We can reach the new customers, we can increase the standard of living. And examples of corporate marketing or nowadays artificial intelligence is playing more important role in the global business programs. Programmatic advertisements, chatbots, social messaging apps, social media stories, and blockchain technology. These are playing a major role in global businesses. These are all the current trends in the marketing communication channels. Marketing communication. Students, we have completed the third unit.